has 10K views on YouTube. Okay, so welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button. If you're a returning subscriber, hey, now let's make these pancakes. Cereal pancakes are so beginning of this year, so I decided let's make red velvet. I used the same exact recipe of my previous pancake video. I just added in 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. The same video that is blowing the internet. If you've not watched it, I don't know what you're waiting for, girl. Once you have the desired texture, prep your pan, put some butter, and then clean it off. Make sure it's all like pretty clean so that the first pancake is good too. Add your mixture in there, make those swirl-like movements, and then add your toppings. Remember, before they were red velvet, they were still pancakes. So put your favorites. It can be chocolate chips, it can be blueberries, whatever makes you happy. And then flip. Do the same for all your pancakes and enjoy. For the dressing, we're just going to use powdered sugar and some milk. Just put in as much sugar as you feel like, and then make a tablespoon or 2 of milk. Just make sure it's not very liquidy or whatever. And then dress your pancakes and enjoy. Time to dig in. Some things are just not allowed to taste this good. It's not okay. No.